Hello friend, welcome back. In your previous video, we successfully updated our dynamic route. So now there is inbox is updated, user for the user is updated, and then logging title is updated, right? Great. So now in this video, I want to segment it. Like if you go to our template, into this template, there is a view file and there is an inbox file. Okay, so that is very much simple one of the templates. So if you have that multiple, that means if multiple options, that footer part, sidebar part, and then left sidebar, navbar, everything, there is a header part, right? So if you want to segment it, how can segment it? In this video, I will show you that things with a live example. For doing this, we have to do like for this project, that is our common part, like this body, and there is one of the menu. So that is actually one of the common part. Okay, so now I want to segment this part. For doing this in our view, okay, into this view, I want to create another new folder, and I just name it as a partials. Okay, I name it as a partials. So that is a partials, one of the folder. I simply create another folder, and here I want to create another new file that will be as a header. Header.js. So I simply created one of the header.js. Oh, sorry, not that JS, that will be as a EJS, right? So that will be as a EJS. I simply created one of the header.ejs. Great. So from our inbox, I want to do that is actually a common part. So this common part I want to cut it. Okay, I simply cut it, and now in our header I simply paste it. So all now we have to do, we have to include it. Okay, and here if you want to include, then that will be as a less than, and less than will be as a with the percentage. Okay, percentage, and also we have to close it. I simply close it. Now in particular that position we have to include. Okay, include our position. Our position, that will be the same location, right? So that is into the same file. We have to go outside from here. That means that will be our partial folder, and after that, that is I have created another file as a header, right? Header.exx. So EJX. So I simply loaded this. Okay, so here if you want to load it, then automatically that will be included in particular that area. So that will be include and then partial folder, and then I have created that header, and into this header area I loaded our common part. Okay, so I simply loaded, I copy it, and now I want to update the same things in our index. Into the index you can see that this part actually the common part. I simply paste it, and also for the users, and that is our common part, I simply paste it. Okay, so now I hope you get some of the idea. If you want to segment your total template, you can segment it like that. Okay, you can segment it with the header, you can segment it with the footer, sidebar, navbar, okay, whatever the things you choose. So right now there is very simple one of the project, they have not much file. So now I simply included that header part. Now click as a save all. Our rest of this will be same. Now click as a refresh. You can see it's pretty much same. There is the index, that is inbox is same, user is the same, logging is the same, and also our title is updated. Okay, great. So how can use some of the include functionality into the Express.js? I hope it's very much clear to you. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.